Is this on? Hey, Crazyhermitcrab, aka Hey Ingrid. So you want to see what, how does my tropic air humidifier and the tubing modification work? So I can't take everything apart because it won't be good for the crabs to take everything apart, and I don't want humidity to go down and everything. So this air pump back here is actually a Sphere 4. It's actually a Sphere 4. This is the top sphere. The sphere air pumps go for 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll put a website in the description for the Sphere 4. And then I got this tubing that comes after this. Fake little crabbies holding it up for me. And this tubing goes down into this reservoir chamber. This tubing going down is actually a tube with a hole, and then the bubbles come up, and it is just putting air in the chamber. So there's a sponge in there too, and it's actually filtering the water also. And then when we have another tube, and this is when all the air goes up. They have a check valve. It always goes in, and then water goes recede out. And then I got this tube that goes in this way. That tube that goes in this way comes from down here. Goes from up here to down here, and then I squeezed it out, squeezed it out just for right now. Since I got the bubbles on in those pools, I pinched it off with this, and then that redirects the air, and it goes down to here, and it goes down to this tube. And that tube goes down, all the way down, into these sets of 4 valves are here. 2 valves are turned off, squeezed off, and the other 2 are just putting the air out into the bubbles. So that's what it is. I actually got the box still from the humidifier. Let me show you. So you said that you were getting 2. This is what the box looks like. It actually has directions on the back. Basically, it'll tell you what to do. It works really good. So the Sphere 4 pump that I got, the Sphere 4 is actually for 100-gallon tank. For higher get air pumps that are for higher gallon tanks, just to get some really big airflow. So actually, this is a 20-gallon tank. It's actually an aquarium kit. I love aquarium kits because it gives you everything you need, and also the stuff that you don't need. That's actually fish stuff. You could go into your local pet store and turn it in for store credit. Pretty cool, huh? So that's what it is. I hope you understand now, but I cannot dismantle everything because it's not going to be good for the crabs. And still I have Hansel under, still growing back his leg. And it's still jawing. But Nemo and Dalek are actually kind of slowing down a little bit. Because they're going to be the last 2 to molt soon. So it needs to be in a stable 80 degrees and 80% humidity. So it stays in a constant 80% humidity in there. It doesn't help to open the lid, because if I open the lid, then the humidity goes down. So I hope I give you. So I hope you understand now. If you need another blueprint of how my humidifier works, let me know. I can give you another one of my setup.